Alright, hey YouTube. Welcome to another episode of Dad and Son Gripping Together. Once again, I'm Dad.
I'm Son.
Today we're going to be working over here. The international project needs a home. My backhoe needs a home. I've been wanting to clean this up for a while. I've been moving this stuff around with my truck or the backhoe. I'm going to make a hitch today for one of our smaller tractors that is pretty well suited for moving this stuff around. So we're going to make a video making this hitch.
So we have a Allis Chalmers Big 10. This is what we're going to use. This is what it looks like. We already started to think what we're going to use.
So now I'm set up here, I'm going to use this mount hole, use this bolt. I'm going to get a length on this. This isn't going to be a super crucial setup, but I'm just going to wing it. We'll notch this out for here. You'll see what we'll come up with. Alright guys, if you don't have a metal chop saw like this, you can afford one. These things save so much time in cutting a heavy piece of steel like this. They make light work of it. Alright, I got my pieces cut. I'm just gonna pull this bolt out and we're gonna guess. I gotta get this one out. Alright, I got these pieces drilled and notched. see how I did on my guess where this first hole is gonna be. That one looks like it's gonna be all right. Hey, that one's gonna be all right too. Look at that. Little plate going in there. We might open that hole up a little bit. So now that I got these on here, I can mark the bottom hole pretty accurate. We'll clean this up some, drill them holes, we'll be back. Alright, got them cleaned up, gonna bolt them on, we'll get ready to weld that other hitch right on there. Not a lot of weld on there that I'll be able to get, but it'll be enough. We'll get the tape measure out. I know I want it like 14 inches. Alright, there it is. I decided just to weld it up on the tractor. Started taking it apart and I felt it starting to spring. I didn't want to have to mess around with making the holes bigger. Everything's pretty close tolerance there. I didn't want to weld it up on the bench and it warp a little bit, and the next thing you know I'm running bolts in crooked. So now we work on cleaning up along the garage. We'll leave this video at that. It's Dad and Son gripping together. Once again, I'm Dad.
I'm Son.
Have a good night.